Hi and welcome back to the build video of this Tronxy X5 touchscreen 3D printer. I have now recently installed the power supply with its acrylic on, but when it came with a brown tape on. I can't bother taking that off, took most of it off there. I've also pre-installed the filament runout sensor. Also, if I hadn't said anything, done the extruder, put the Bowden tube in. Please be careful when you're building this printer yourself, because the extrusions here where the T-slots go, one side will be tight and one side will be loose fitting for the T-slots to go in. So please be aware of, just pre-test them to find out which side is the best side for the T-slot nuts. Also, I'm going to just route all the cable down through inside there, just put some black tape on there, all the way across here. I've noticed that there's one black motor, one grey and silver motor and black in there, and on here they're exactly the same, so there's one odd motor just over the same thing. I've also installed the touch screen and board together. It's built in as one. I've just got the fan to put on once I've wired it all up. I'll show you that later in another video. I've also pre-installed the acrylic with the touch end stop here. Put that on. The other end stops are built into the extruder here itself on the opposite side. So what it'll do is that'll go across that way, and then that'll go that way. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And here's all the wiring. I've also installed the aluminium heat bed with its 6 screws, 6 springs and 6 leveling screws. As I said before in one of my videos, if you can remember, I moved the temperature sensor to the centre of the bed, just here, and taped it all up. I might have to tension that down there with some more tape. They drilled a hole in there for some reason, but I just moved it across there, and I've zip tied it there. And when you install these, use this a little bit shorter screw, so it just reaches into there because they're self-tapped. And use the other ones for here, where you'll end up using the wrong screws in the wrong place for most of the build, because that's what it says. So just be aware of using just long screws so it reaches inside. Don't have to go all the way through, just gets inside. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be putting the build tack on there, and I also got a some type of PCB flexible plate, and my touch sensor's just there, that blue thing there next to the hot end. I had to loosen all the roller bearings because they were a bit tight. There's still some sticky stuff on here somewhere. Thanks for watching, subscribe and look out for the next video.